Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can blend or how you can smudge into Adobe Fresco. This is going to be the motion where you're going to mix two different pictures, two different paintings, and you're going to create something new that is going to look maybe more beautiful. Okay, by maybe mixing two different colors or two different brushes, okay, or maybe even more. So what are you going to do? First of all, you're just going to make a broad painting using the pixel brushes. As you can see, this is the tool that I'm going to choose in here because this is the one that has the options, the brush settings. Now I'm going to select a certain color, which in my case is going to be, I don't know, something maybe a little bit lighter like blue. Okay. And just make sure that the smoothing is kind of turned up a little bit so that it's not too rough. Okay. And I'm going to start drawing some things in here. Okay. Let me make it like a little bit of a sky, in here. Let's say this is my sky. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I can draw some clouds in here using like a white stroke, okay? So I'm just gonna write this down. However, if I do this, nothing's gonna happen, right? Because this is just white. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna choose a blending mode by coming in here. I'm gonna go to the brush settings. I'm gonna go to the blend mode and I'm gonna go to dissolve. And if I do this, I can actually draw on top of this color, which is going to be like, blue, but it's going to kind of dissolve. It's not going to be like this white on top, but it's going to kind of dissolve, okay? And you can select a different smoothing that is going to be maybe higher, and it's going to look even more smooth, as you can see in here. So this is going to look beautiful. And you can even choose different blending modes, such as behind, and that's going to make sure that it's, white behind. Or you can choose something like darken, multiply, or color burn. Okay, so just play around with these blending modes and you're going to find that you're going to be able to do a lot of different things. Thank you so much, guys.